If you would like to see a step-by-step method on how I achieved this beautiful spring twist using Brazilian wool for less than $4 with a nighttime routine on how you can maintain this hair for a long period of time, keep on watching.
Convince myself to run around with someone else to forget about you.
Hi, hello there friends, and hi to my girlies. If you are new to my channel, my name is Redeemer, but you can call me Rima. I will start off by prepping my Brazilian wool to the desired length, ensuring that the length is much longer than usual because I'll be twisting and curling it. So remember, if you want it above your shoulder length, you have to make sure that your wool is much longer when you're prepping it. Then you just go in for your comb and then you comb out the Brazilian wool. For the curling, I'll be using these small sticks. Remember that any object you use to curl your hair or your Brazilian wool will come out differently, especially the twisting will be different. So to achieve this particular twist, I went in for round sticks that are very, very round. So you can use any object that is round but a bit smaller, because if the object is quite big, it might be difficult to achieve the same hairstyle. So remember, sticks that are small and round.
All is blue. I should've known how to keep it close, but I won't. And I miss you through the blue. I should've known.
Get our desired curls for our twist. I'll place them in a bowl and just pour hot water on it. Wait for 5 minutes and then take it out to start unraveling it whilst it's wet, because it is much easier to separate and it doesn't disturb the curl pattern.
Can't hate you. I'm hoping for you to feel the same way I do.
Now let's work on the twisting. With the twisting, if you think of twisting it the normal twist like you are braiding kinky, you won't get the desired results. This is what you get. So the proper twisting is place them in your thumb and your fingers, then place one in between your palm, then start moving it from left to right, like gently as I'm doing in the video. Always ensure that one part of the hair is in your palm and the other is just placing it on top.
Convince myself to run around with someone else to forget about you.
I'm doing a separate twisting because I want to crochet the middle part and just do a normal braiding around the hair. I want to give it the illusion of a full hair, very full hair, but still braided part. So if you look around the hair, it might seem like I just braided every part of the hair, but it's still full. But meanwhile, I did a crocheting in the middle and the braiding around the hair.
Close, but I won't.
After braiding a normal boss braid at the root of the hair, I do the twisting. See how I'm placing one in my palm and just taking the other around it. So I'll keep repeating that process for every braid that I make in front, the back and the side of my hair.
I can't stop cursing.
After doing the normal braiding at the back of my hair, then I started doing the crocheting. I'll be doing so much crocheting to give it a full hair. Remember, the look we are going for is to give the illusion of a full hair but still look braided, but our secret is just in the middle, like no one knows except you tell them, but we are not going to tell them, right?
Convince myself to run around with someone else to forget about you. But I keep taking the same route and look at your view. I lied to myself every night, paid it off. If I only knew that you were playing, crying in your
For the partition of the hair, I got 6 rows on the left side and 6 rows on the right side too, and the middle part I did a crocheting method. So I used 1 pack of Brazilian wool to achieve this hairstyle, and every pack comes in 12 rows. So out of the 12, I used 11 rows out of the 12 in a pack. If you like my video, baby girl, kindly give me a subscribe, like, comment, share, leave your thoughts and opinion. If you have any new technique to let us know in the comment section.
I miss you. I'm hoping for you to feel the same way
With my nighttime routine, I don't know if anyone is like me. When it comes to sleeping, I don't want anything, all gadgets down, everything down, just me and my bed. But I also don't like the idea that I have to wake up every morning and then prep my hair. So I do everything the night before. So to ensure that the next morning, the moment I remove my cape, I'm off, like I'm gone. I just start, I prep my hair by applying gel on the front of my hair. Every session I apply gel, like I'm maintaining, just like I'm about to step out. Okay, then use the brush to brush it through. So applying my gel, I just pull all the hair upward, then go in for elastic band and tie it up, so that the next morning, because I'm done with the front section, any style I want, I could just style it and off I'm gone. I don't like sleeping with the hair bonnet because to me the heat is too much, so I just go in for the normal wig cap that is much lighter and air can penetrate through it, and then place the tip of the cap on where I apply the gel to make it stick, so that the next morning when I wake up, I don't want any edges out.